The most important thing that will keep you from getting sick is your immune system. In these recordings, you can see real human immune system cells moving around in the blood. All the other round cells you see are red blood cells. The immune system's job is to collect and kill any harmful element they can find. This includes bacteria, virus, bad cholesterol, fungus, dead cells, bad cells, and more. They communicate with each other and can arrange big attacks if your body is invaded or experiencing sickness. In order to keep these cells healthy, reduce refined sugar from your diet. Refined sugar shocks your cells and makes them defenseless and not able to kill invaders. They actually stop moving. Without healthy, nutrition-packed foods, your cells will not develop strong and healthy. Personally, we focus on eating plant-based with lots of nutrition-packed greens. We also use a redox signaling supplement, which is groundbreaking in health technology, giving the cells the ability to heal and replace themselves at an optimum level.